There's the truck. Just got the tank in the rack with the paint job, and it looks real good. Check her out. Here we have our fill station where I can hook it up to a compressor or a standardized air chuck. PSI gauge. Got the safety valve around there on the other side right there, blow off. In the middle we have a single stage AW206 with the manual valve. I also got an air regulator, so I can run the air up to the K5 with the adjustable back caps at any pressure I want, so I can have the tank at a high pressure and get maximum efficiency out of it. And then over on this side I put the 2-stage AW206 horn valve, so with the pull cord tied up to the visor there, so if I ever get another horn, put 2 up there at once. My friend Josh painted up the tank real nice and the rack as well. Don't get any rust. Home. You going to school tomorrow? Ah! This shit's gonna be loud.